Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Our niggas forgetting where we are? Oh my God.
Nigga, shit I can't speak on got me stressed out. Toss game, that's how I'ma step out. Things the high shot, I feel left out. I was down on my dick, they ain't help out. I'm gonna do them ass till I check out. 2 micro drinks when I step.
The SS ain't nothing, bruh.
Come on, cuz.
I really just left niggas stressed out. If the game on the line, he'll sell out. Shut that switch with ease, nigga. They need me on need, nigga. Got 4 eyes, know how to read, nigga. I'm putting on my team. They say you wanna slide what you need.
Alright, y'all boys, man, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another banger POV for y'all niggas, man. We got Scat Pack number 1, Scat Pack number 2, SS, Scat Pack number 3, G37 Marco.
That's Scat Pack number 4.
Scat Pack number 4. And we got C6 vet. But alright, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Shit, crazy Mexico, he done been through a lot. I make cash turn gold, then I stash it in my pipe. Everything that I do, a lot of niggas, they want this spot. Thank God it.
Don't expect that much talking from me. A nigga finna be locked in for real. Finna dog this Scat, boy. As soon as I get some air in my tire, I'm dogging the Scat. For sure. I gotta put air in my tire, bro. I ain't trying to do too much yet. Bright ass headlights. Now that nigga Marco shit popping like crazy, bro. Not gonna cap. Bro, these cars don't go on my left, bro. Bro, niggas is going 12 different ways, bro. What we got going? Damn! Them niggas went to the wrong QT, bro. Bro, you can't get black people to coordinate shit. Oh, by the way, I don't got my 360 cam. I had to ship it back because as y'all seen in the last video, it got a crack in it. So they fixed the lens. I should have it back this week though. So this is probably the last video without a 360 cam in it. This shit crazy, boy. This nigga Marco shit be popping crazy. Dogging the streets, bruh. This is how it. God damn. Yo, that nigga Marco shit crazy, bruh. That shit make your ass duck. I'm weak as hell. Nah, this how it should be, bruh. Niggas is dogging the streets. I pray 12 ain't at this gas station.
Start the gas and break the pedal, swerving lanes and ducking jakes. Everywhere I go, they see my face and get up out my way. My bitch fine as hell, I fuck her hard, so now she asks for brakes. I just gotta see some shit I want when I turn up my state.
Hey, bro, we get some space. You ready to get dog, nigga? That SS ain't nothing, bro.
Come on, cuz.
That SS ain't nothing.
Bruh.
Yo, my shit just OD loud, boy. Hell nah, nigga, it's curves, nigga, I ain't doing this shit. Hey, bro, you better not pull out, bitch. Damn, bro. That shit OD. That shit OD. That shit is OD. That shit is OD. That shit is OD. That shit is OD. That shit don't make no sense whatsoever. Speed, nigga. Marco. Bro, that shit is too fucking loud, Marco. That shit is too fucking loud. Then it should say 28 minutes? 18? Where am I going? Niggas is dogging the streets, bruh. A nigga been waiting for a night like this for a while, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. Ain't had this shit in a minute. Damn, bruh. This shit don't make no type of sense how much this shit is popping. Expecting my shit to be in a different gear, I ain't gonna lie. Chill on me, bruh. Chill on me in the comments. Where my nigga Price at? Nah, that nigga DJ moving that shit. What the fuck? Nah, this nigga's hitting crazy shit. What the fuck? No fucks given on the road, bruh. I hate seeing bright ass headlights, bruh. twice. I see his tail lights. What the fuck? Shit would have been perfect for the 360. Nigga DJ dogging that bitch. Niggas is dogging the Scats. Why you ain't lining up at the beginning, nigga? Huh? Why you ain't lining up?
Bro, my music was too loud. I was just vibing. I
don't blame you, bro. Hey, that shit.
How you doing?
Go ahead. Go, nigga. Yeah, alright, this nigga wild, man. Are niggas forgetting where we are? Oh my god. This nigga Marco finna get us all booked, bro. Oh shit. This nigga Marco finna get us all booked. Hey, 12 down there, bro.
Yeah, I know.
So, hey, chill.
They always post it right there.
Y'all hear that chop? It was a Panthers game tonight, so it's hella niggas outside. Hella people outside. Bruh, when is they gonna let us go, bruh? You done let 10 other people go. Roll these windows up real quick, just in case. We can't even dog shit though, cause too many cops. Dogging the Scats. Who the fuck just whipped that bitch? Let me just pull up and pop. Nah, bro, your ass dangerous on the road, nigga.
I didn't do nothing. Struggling, so we gotta commit crime to get by. Once you know about being on both ends of that fire, I never have real clothes with that iron. Hit your bitch in the figure 4, she got tired.
recording.
You was recording? Yeah, hell nah. Hell nah.
I was so lost, gang. I was so lost. I missed the whole time. I'm sticking my head up.
We finna go on the bucket list.
I had 2008 RT. Oh shit. It does that, bro. Just chill.
It's glorious to be around SRT, bro.
Yeah, real fast shit, bro.
Nah, bro. This the RT, bro.
650 horses.
This the RT final boss. I ain't gonna.
No, bruh, no, bruh, no, bruh. These niggas are threats to society. Oh shit, I got 12 down here too. Niggas is everywhere. My shit pop like crazy. Go ahead and get this shit in real quick, boy. I'm ready. Huh? I bet. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, he got me by a car. I might have started late. That's gonna be my excuse. I started late and my hood is up. Those are my 2 excuses. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, them Camaro shit ain't shit, boy. When we start at the same time, this shit over. This nigga went blackout. Oh shit. Nah, I can't see shit with my lights off, yo. Who is this nigga feeling like? Fucking loud, bruh. Niggas is dogging. Try to get a race in with this Scat. Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down. I'm ready. Ah shit, 2 stop Scats. 2 stop Scats.